tayo. Papuntang
pasyalan.
Silicon.
Bata. Pinagdaan tayo pag ako.
Yes.
Okay, I say later, yes. And so this is program to support children who don't have a home, who live on the street, and who eat the food in the garbage. And for support this program, I sell bracelets like this. This is handmade bracelets, yes.
Yes. How much the bracelet?
Oh my god, so usually we sell this for 100 pesos for. Yes, I know this is expensive, but people
money?
People really need to support another people, and 15% would go to support different program community. 15%. What?
Where are you from?
I'm from Russia.
Russia.
Yes.
100 pesos.
Yes, po.
What pieces? What? How pieces?
Each 100.
Yeah.
Yes.
100 each.
Yes, po. Yes, I say again, I know this is expensive.
Malabang
But people really need to support another people and
Ano nyo? 100.
Yes, po.
May ano ka dyan?
And 50% go to the people communities and 50% go to the school.
What school? In the Philippines? The school is...
This is not school. This is a volunteer organization like center. We have a Facebook, yes.
Yeah, the Facebook.
Yes, we have a Facebook. You can search us.
We have a Facebook.
Ganito picture niya kay Mario. Ay naman, ano naman dali na, habang may araw ka.
Dami coffee dito.
Hi guys.
Slow down no?
Yung mga pang-ibabang pinapala. Mahal kita, di masabi ng harapan. Kasi nga, paano pa mapatunayan?
Hanap ko na siya, hanap mo.
Ay, pamagat. Nasa'yo na bagat.
Doon kita sa puro. Ayun na, iba yung mataas. Tingnan na.
Chicks, kadik.
Wala yung alin?
Yan guys. Remember 2025.